In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block unwanted pop-ups Google Chrome browser. If pop-ups and sudden redirects keep interrupting your browsing, this quick setup in Chrome will help you stop them at the source. Start by opening Chrome and looking to the upper right corner of the window. Click the three-dot menu, the small icon that opens the main Chrome menu. This is sometimes called the More menu, and it's your gateway to all of Chrome's controls and preferences. From that menu, choose Settings. Chrome will open a new tab with your settings page, and you'll see a sidebar on the left that organizes everything by category. We're going to focus on your privacy controls because pop-ups and redirects are managed there to protect you from unwanted content and potential phishing or spam. In the left panel, select Privacy and Security. This section contains tools that help keep your browsing safe and less cluttered. Next, click Site Settings. These are Chrome's per-site permissions, where you decide which websites can do things like access your location, send notifications, or open pop-ups. Now scroll down the Site Settings page until you find pop-ups and redirects, and select it. This page controls whether websites are allowed to open new windows automatically or push you to a different page without asking. It's a common tactic for ads and malicious sites, so managing this setting is a powerful way to reduce distractions and risk. Under Default Behavior, choose Don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. This sets pop-ups and redirects to blocked by default, which is the most secure and least annoying experience for everyday browsing. When this is on, Chrome will quietly stop most intrusive pop-ups and prevent automatic redirects that try to yank you away from the page you actually wanted to visit. A few helpful notes as you use this setting. Some legitimate sites use pop-ups for things like sign-ins or payment confirmations. If you ever need a pop-up from a trusted site, you can come back to this same page and adjust permissions for that specific site without changing the global block. Also, if you had a troublesome tab open while changing the setting, refreshing that tab ensures the new rule takes effect immediately. With this change, you'll get a cleaner, safer browsing experience. It cuts down on interruptions, lowers the chance of clicking something deceptive, and keeps your focus on what you came to the web to do. That's all you need to block unwanted pop-ups and redirects in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching and enjoy the calmer browsing.